What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to give you a tutorial for this look. This is my version of a soft pink nude makeup look. A lot of you requested me to make a pink nude makeup tutorial. So this is what this video is about guys, and all the products which I've used in this tutorial, the links to those products will be in the description box below. So definitely check it out, and yeah, that's it. Now without wasting any more time, let's begin. Okay guys, let's begin. Actually there is a little bit of redness around my eyes because I was trying out eyeshadows for this particular look just before I started recording this video. Anyway, random info. So for primer today, I am going to use this. It's Lotus Eco Stay Primer. Whenever you're using a silicone based primer like this one, you have to kind of press it in your skin a little bit. Next, I'm going to use a concealer, and I'll be using this one. This is L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. So I'm just going to use a little bit of concealer on all the darker areas of my face. Basically all these areas, and I'm going to blend it with PAC 219 concealer brush. Under my eyes, I always dab the brush, I don't drag it. Next, for foundation today, I'll be using LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. And I'm using a YBP sponge to apply the foundation. Always dampen the sponge guys, do not use it dry. Just put it under running water, squeeze out the excess water, and only then use it. You actually don't need to use a lot of this foundation. It gives really good coverage guys. So just one pump is more than enough to cover your entire face. Now to set the base, first I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. So with my concealer brush, I'm first going to set the area around my eyes. And next I'm going to take Milani Prep Set Glow Illuminating Transparent Powder. This is one of those products which randomly caught my eye on Nykaa, and I'm always looking for products which can make the foundation and the base look dewy. So I bought it, and it's actually pretty nice guys. If you don't want to buy it, then you can always use Lakme Natural Loose Setting Powder. That was the one which I recommended in my classic nude makeup tutorial. That is also really good. So with a powder brush, I'm going to take a little bit of powder, dust it, and start setting my base lightly with it. The thing with these powders is that you probably won't notice a stark difference on the camera when you see them. They don't have any glitter chunks or anything. They just make the skin look more hydrated and dewy and nice. And why you don't use it under your eyes is because anything which has a little bit of sheen does not look nice directly under your eyes. Just a word of caution, be careful while using this or the Lakme Natural Powder, because if you use a lot of product in one go, your face can look white. So always dust the brush and then use these products. Next, for my eyebrows, I'll be using Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake. I'll be using a mix of this and this shade. Okay, so this is a brush from a Morphe brush set which I use for my eyebrows. Now I need like a close mirror for this step, so I keep the mirror really close to my face. I brush my eyebrows downwards, then I draw out a shape. Then I brush them upwards and fill out all the gaps. Okay, done. I'll quickly finish the other eyebrow and come back to you. Okay guys, I'm really sorry. I actually forgot to press record while taking the product shot for this step. I'm using Milani bronzer and I'm lightly contouring my cheekbones and my jawline here. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'll be using Nykaa Just Wink It palette in the shade Sweet Sunday. I'll first take this pink shade from the palette and I'll apply it all over my lid. This is a Sigma E55 brush. I'll take a little bit of color, dust the excess, and then start applying it on my eyelid. Once the color is nicely packed on my eyelids, I'm going to take this shade from the palette and with a fluffy brush, I'm going to apply it on my crease. Now this is a PAC 391 brush. So I'm going to do the same thing, take a bit of color on the brush, dust the excess, and then I'll start applying it on my crease. You should move the brush in circular motion to blend this pink shade with this beige shade properly. Next, I'm going to take PAC Sparkly Distraction Glitter Primer. So I'm just going to place a dot of this primer in the center of my eyelid, and I'm using a ProArt AE26 brush to kind of spread it in the center. It doesn't have to be too precise, guys. It's okay if it gets here and there. Alright, once you've spread this out properly, I'm going to take this shade from this palette and apply it on the top of the glitter primer. And done. So this is how it is looking right now. I would highly recommend this product, guys. It's not even that expensive and I actually use it for a lot of my eye makeup looks. Like 90% of shimmery shades that I use on my eyelids, I actually first prime my eyelids with this product and then use it. Also, this particular shade that we used has tiny glitter flecks in it, so if you apply it as it is eventually gonna fall a little bit on your skin. So it's always better to use a glitter glue or this glitter primer before using these kind of shades. Quickly going to finish the other one and come back. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking now. Next, I'm going to go back to this shade which we applied on the crease, and with the same fluffy brush, PAC 391 brush, I'm just going to clean up my crease a little bit. The eyelids are complete. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to again go back to this shade which we applied on the crease and just apply it a little bit halfway through my lower lash line. You can build this color a little bit but not too much because we want to give it like a really soft look. Okay, the eyeshadow is complete. Next, I'm going to use Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow. I'm first going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. Just a little bit of highlighter, just a hint of highlighter. This was PAC 201 brush, and this is ProArt PE29 brush, which I'll be using to highlight the brow bone. Next, I'm going to use Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Now you can of course leave this look as it is, but I'm going to wear falsies. Guys, these ones, unfortunately, they don't have any name on it. So these are just some random, a little natural looking falsies, but I can recommend falsies from PAC, which are quite pocket friendly and really nice. So you can definitely check out PAC falsies, specifically PAC Pro 03 and PAC Pro 05. Those are some really nice falsies. I'll just be using these for today's makeup. I'll quickly put them on and come back to you. So I just remembered that these lashes are from ProArt. Unfortunately, I don't remember the number, but they are 100% from ProArt. So you can look for ProArt lashes online. They're really cheap. I think I got this one for about 200 rupees. Check it out online. You'll find some good ones there. Once the lashes are on, I always do this step, guys. I take any kajal and I apply it on my upper waterline. This step kind of defines your upper waterline really well, and you know, especially when you're using like eyelashes and stuff, it's important to do this so that they look seamless. Alright, now moving on to blush. I'll be using Biotique blush in the shade Fairy Tale. I'm going to take a little bit of blush and start applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Now this is not a heavily pigmented blush, guys. You have to kind of build it up as per your liking. Initially I did not like it for the same reason, but then it kind of grew on me because the color is really nice. Little bit on my nose as well. So you see, it's a pretty light blush, but it is good for natural makeup. Now next, to highlight my face, I'll be using the same highlighter, guys, Wet n Wild Blossom Glow. I'm just going to highlight all the high points of my face with this. This is such a nice highlighter, guys. Like, it's a beautiful highlighter. Now next for lips, I'll be using Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon in the shade Next Level Nude. One of my favorite lip crayon from Nykaa Mattelicious, guys. I've really used this one. Like, it's become really small. And lastly, I'm going to use NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And I'll just let it dry up. And that's it, guys. This is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section below, guys. I love it when you interact with me, and I definitely hear you out. So any requests, any suggestions that you have, then let me know in the comment section below. Also, guys, if you did like this video, then leave it a like, because that really helps us in reaching out to more people. We are trying to grow our family here. And if you don't follow me on Instagram yet, then check out my Instagram handle. I'll pin a comment in the comments section. You can check that link out. If you like my content, then you can give me a follow there as well. I do post makeup related content there. And lastly, guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, then please subscribe to our channels. We've got 3 channels, Hindi, English and Bengali, and we are trying to build a really nice and happy and positive community here. So your support would mean a lot to us, guys, and that's pretty much it. Stay safe, take care of yourself. I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.